A backyard wood chipper can transform fallen branches, shrub trimmings, and autumn leaf piles into neat, moisture-trapping mulch in minutes, sparing countless trips to the dump and turning yard waste into next season's garden gold. The right chipper isn't just a screaming lawnmower on wheels. It feeds limbs cleanly, slices consistently, and spits out chips you can actually use instead of ragged clog-prone strands. With options ranging from plug-in electric nibblers and compact gas rigs to trailer-hitched behemoths that gulp 6-inch logs, choosing the machine that suits your property size, branch diameter, and storage space can feel daunting. Some shine at the leaf reduction, others devour knotted hardwoods, and a few fold down small enough to fit beside a mower. Pick wisely, and you'll spend more time laying mulch and less time clearing jams or sharpening blades. To help sort through the noise, here are the top 8 wood chippers ranked from handy electric starters to serious acreage workhorses built for homesteads and storm cleanup. Sunjoe CJ603E Electric Chipper and Shredder. Sunjoe's CJ603E is the purest gateway drug for chipping. A simple 15-amp plug-and-play machine that devours branches up to 1.7 inches. Dual steel blades reduce debris 21-to-1 into crisp, coin-sized chips. Weighing just 38 pounds, it tips onto 2 wheels for easy storage behind garden tools. A thermal overload switch stops the motor if damp wood jams the works, and assembly takes barely 20 minutes. It's loud, approaching 96 decibels, and will stall on hardwoods thicker than a broom handle, but for urban gardeners wanting easy mulch without the gas hustle, the CJ603E delivers convenience in a tiny, budget-friendly package. And its electric nature makes it welcome even in tightly regulated neighborhoods. Earthwise GS715 Corded Electric. Earthwise levels up the electric game with a drum cutter design that smoothly shaves softwood up to 2 inches thick, running far quieter than the shrieking impact blades used in many small chippers. A pull-out 1.2 bushel bin makes chip collection clean and fast, while LED warning lights signal overloads before jams turn ugly. At 54 pounds, it's easy to roll around patios or concrete drives, though plastic wheels can snag on grass. Blades do need swapping after heavy maple sessions, but they're cheap and quick to replace. For gardeners or orchard keepers whose neighbors cringe at gas engines, the GS715 offers a calm, capable bite without exhaust or ear fatigue and takes up minimal garage real estate. WEN 41121 Rolling Electric Shredder. WEN's 41121 takes a different approach, using a self-feeding gear mechanism that slowly grinds branches at 55 RPM, nearly dustless and far safer than high-speed shredders. Reversible cogs double its service life, while a large safety dial stops the motor instantly if a knot or foreign objects jam the feed. This 55-pound unit stores under 32 inches tall, perfect for sheds packed with lawn tools. It's brilliant for neighborhood yards worried about noise, though hardwoods over 1.5 inches remain a challenge, and you'll need a robust extension cord to avoid voltage drops. Tazz K33 Gas Chipper-Shredder. The Tazz K33 introduces gas muscle to the mix, powered by a 212cc Viper engine that spins a 4-knife flywheel to chomp through 3-inch branches. 36 flail hammers inside the shredder chamber turn leaf piles into fine mulch at a 20-to-1 ratio. Standing just 34 inches tall, it's accessible for shorter operators, and 11-inch solid wheels navigate grass and gravel with ease. You'll want hearing protection, and annual blade flips need a decent impact driver, but suburban homeowners craving a serious step up from electric models will love how the K33 devours piles that would choke smaller chippers. Its surprisingly compact footprint also makes it easier to fit into tight garages alongside other power equipment. Landworks LCE01 Mini Chipper. 7 horsepower drives the LC01's twin reversible blades, letting it chew through fresh branches up to 3 inches in diameter. A belt drive softens impacts from knots, prolonging engine life, and fold-out handles plus 10-inch wheels let one person load it into trailers or roll it across yards. A rotating chute hurls chips 20 feet, perfect for aiming debris into wheelbarrows or truck beds. Vibration runs higher than pricier competitors, but fuel shutoffs, low oil sensors, and a handy onboard toolbox add peace of mind. At around 100 pounds, the Landworks strikes a sweet spot for small acreage owners wanting mobile power without investing in full-sized, tow-behind monsters. It's a favorite among DIY land clearers seeking a balance between portability and real muscle. Powerhorse 420cc 4-inch chipper. Northern Tool's Powerhouse chipper pairs a hefty 420cc overhead valve engine with a heavyweight flywheel capable of swallowing 4-inch limbs all day. A wide gravity feed minimizes the trimming needed for side branches, while the swiveling discharge chute makes it easy to drop chips right into wheelbarrows or utility trailers. A belt drive protects the engine from sudden impacts, and grease fittings simplify maintenance on moving parts. At 277 pounds, it's firmly in trailer ramp territory, but for acreage owners wanting genuine log capacity without shelling out for commercial machines, the Powerhouse bridges the gap brilliantly. It's perfect for those with mixed properties who occasionally need to tame storm debris but can't justify a pro-level chipper year-round. Patriot CSV 3100B Gas Chipper-Shredder. Patriot's CSV 3100B is built around a 10-horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine that spins a triangulated flywheel lined with replaceable knives, devouring 3-inch limbs with ease. Its 8Y hammers shred leaves into dust, reducing debris volume 20-1. A tow bar, which is optional, hitches to lawn tractors, and tool-free access to the cutter chamber makes blade changes or jam clearing fast. Despite its 139-pound frame, the balanced design allows one person to wheel it across turf. Fuel consumption rises during constant heavy feeding, but this American-made unit is prized for durability and performance among serious gardeners, orchidists, and rural landowners seeking one machine that can handle both chunky wood and leafy debris. DK2 OPC 506 Commercial Chipper. Topping our list, DK2's OPC 506 wields a 14-horsepower Kohler Command Pro and a fearsome 13-inch steel rotor to devour logs up to 6 inches in diameter. Gravity-assisted feeding combined with razor-sharp reversible blades makes short work of brush, firing chips up to 20 feet through a swiveling 360-degree chute for precise dumping. DOT-approved tires, LED lighting, and a 2-inch ball hitch ensure road-legal towing to remote job sites. Grease zerks on every bearing simplify maintenance, and the safety bar halts the flywheel instantly during overloads. At nearly 400 pounds, it demands ramps and caution. But for tree crews, landscapers, or large homesteads looking for professional-level performance without a commercial price tag, the OPC 506 reigns supreme. It's the ultimate choice for those who fell trees one day and need to chip them up the next. That wraps up our tour of the top 8 wood chippers. Choose the one that fits your property, your debris volume, and your appetite for power, and watch brush piles disappear into perfect, landscape-ready mulch. Be sure to check out the description and tagged items section for the newest deals on each of these items. May your blades stay sharp and your mulch bins always runneth over.